Today we're making lemony meatball soup. I love this meal so much, I almost literally don't need anything else to eat. You need 200-gram minced meat of your choice, 1 big potato or 2 small ones, 1 onion, an egg, 1 lemon, 1 or 2 carrots, about 30-gram flour, and don't worry if it's a bit more or less, it doesn't matter much, 50-gram rice, and of course salt and some pepper. Get a bowl ready, put your meat in there and start grinding your onion, or you can cut it really small, but this is just easier. Put the onion, the rice, salt and pepper into the meat and start kneading your meat until it is thoroughly mixed. Get yourself another bowl and put the flour into it and start making tiny meatballs. Of course you can make them as big as you want, but I like them at about the size of a hazelnut. The flour prevents them from sticking to each other. Now you can chop your carrots to equal sizes. Do the same for the potato as well. Put your carrots into a pot with about 1 liter of water and boil it until it softens a bit. At that point, add the potatoes and boil them a bit too. Finally, you can add your tiny meatballs into the soup. Boil the soup to the point that the rice inside the meatballs has gone soft. Turn the stove off and start squeezing the lemon juice. Get your egg into the lemon juice and mix it. Now you get a ladle full of the broth and add this to the lemon egg mixture and mix that as well. Now you can pour this into the soup, turn on the stove again and let this yummy treat boil for a minute or two. As there are potatoes in the soup, you should add salt according to your taste. I tend to overdo it sometimes or forget it altogether, so be careful with that. And there you have it. A super yummy soup to eat up. Enjoy!
All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.